What's going on, everyone? Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in for another video. If you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, we're doing a giveaway at 250 subscribers. Check the description for the details on that. Today we have a $53 eBay mystery, I'm gonna say box, but it's in a pouch here. Presentation wise, not the best, but that's okay. I think there's gonna be 6 packs in here. There wasn't anything like crazy odd wise on this one, just a list of the packs that you could get, so we'll see how we do on this one. Looks like it was double protected here. Let's see what we got. Some Astral Radiance, Brilliant Stars, Twilight, Astral Radiance, Surging Sparks, Silver Tempest. Okay, not too bad. Let's get some hits out of these real quick. Still need that Lugia. I've opened, out of Sword and Shield, definitely probably Silver Tempest I've opened the most. Trying to get that. One of these days. I still have that sealed Silver Tempest. Cool little Vulpix. I actually already have this one. I still have the sealed Silver Tempest ETB, which doesn't have a promo in it, so at some point I'm probably just going to open that up for the packs in it. That might be what we test that metal detector on. It's only Sword and Shield that I have. Surging Sparks, trying to get some kind of Pikachu. I've got one of them. It was only a $30 Pikachu, I think. Come on. Just a holo. Astral Radiance. Can't really think what's in this set. I'm drawing a blank. I know there's one card. I can't think what it is off the top of my head. I'll probably drop it somewhere below. Get a little scatterbrained sometimes when I open this non-holo. Twilight. Don't think I have anything too crazy out of this set. I've opened up quite a few of them. Between Twilight Masquerade and Obsidian Flames, I've probably opened the most. Scarlet and Violet. Just a holo. So one hit so far. I'm not sure pack value wise. Probably gonna be a little shy of that price tag. I think I see something. But it's gonna be close enough. If you back out the shipping and taxes, the initial price on it, it's probably gonna be close. I include that just because I know if you're buying this, you got to pay all that kind of stuff. It's not really their fault when they calculate the price on what, you know, this stuff costs them, but full disclosure, that's my motto. Give you all the information, and you either just watch me do it, or if you want to buy your own, you at least have somebody you can trust other than a big name person opening these up. So I'm not getting paid anything to do this. Just doing it for fun. Alrighty, so we got the one hit out of there. The bad streak continues, but I don't think it's any fault to the seller. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.